People often come to me asking me they wanted to become a devotee of Lord Narayana, Lord Vishnu, who is the personified form of God the Supreme, the formless God. But they are a little hesitant. They want to know from me if they must leave eating meat and fish and stop drinking. I said no, because God Himself says in the Bhagavad Gita, in verse 30 and 31 of chapter 9, that there are no preconditions attached to becoming His devotee. In fact, He even says that you can be the worst of all sinners in the world, the most evil person in the universe, and you are welcome to His fold. There is only one precondition, that you must seek refuge in Him and Him alone, be in His shelter and in no other deity's shelter. Worship Him and Him alone. It's not such a big condition. You already know that He is the Supreme God. So don't worry about these small things. He says that even the most evil doer in the world, the most evil person in the world, can be His devotee. He is welcome to His fold. So why worry about drinking and eating meat and fish? But He says one thing, that as soon as you make this pious resolve of becoming His devotee, your sinful tendencies would themselves be washed away. They will wither away very soon. You will become a noble person, a righteous person very, very soon. Api chet suduracharo bhajte mamananya bhag. If you are dedicated to Him single-mindedly, kshipram bhavati dharmatma, soon you become a noble person. Shashvat chanting nigachati, and after that you attain eternal peace, lasting peace. Kaunte pratijani namme bhakta pranashyati. O Arjuna, I make this promise that I will not allow my single-minded devotee to face a fall, which implies that he will be saved from the horror of the hell, and he will not be allowed to go to bad species in rebirth. What a great promise, and at what a small cost. Ananya Bhakti, single-minded devotion, and nothing else.